Your dad. Who's up there driving? Who is your son?
My son is the actually the small one.
Yeah. Okay.
The one in the red shirt.
Yeah. And what's his name?
Brendan.
Brendan. How old is he? About 5 or
He's
something?
5. Yeah.
5 years old. So Brendan is there getting to do this. Is this his first time at Dozer Days?
Yes, it is.
It is. And what did you tell him about what you were going to do today? Did you explain it to him?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He knew, and he's all about the tractors and the bulldozers and everything.
He loves it.
Yep.
And he's got a big smile on his face.
He does.
As he comes around the corner. This is, oh, look at the smile on his face. He's doing it all by himself. What a treat for the kids to do this. Look at him, he's going way back. He's the host. He's at the equipment. Peter, there's Pete and his son Brendan, and what a trip that was.
Yeah, that was awesome.
Oh, good time. There we go.
Hey buddy, how was it?
That was good. Did you like that?
Is that alright?
I drove it myself.
You drove it yourself, I know.
Can you tell us about it?
You want to tell the man about it? No?